Hello everyone, I'm Chef David. I'm a cuisine instructor here at the Cordon Bleu Dusit. Today we're going to make a steamed cod with a citrus beurre blanc, morels, asparagus and peas. It's a really nice dish to make at home in a restaurant style. It encompasses some quite technical skills. We're going to cure some fish, blanch and refresh some green vegetables, make a hot emulsion sauce with the beurre blanc, and then we're going to bring that together in a really nice restaurant style presentation.